Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a pampas and floor arrangement the way I know how, with chicken wire that you can use for home or any event this fall or any season. Fun fact, not so fun for me though. I had trouble with my mic and audio, so the audio did not record at all for this whole taping. So I'm gonna voice over everything, which is totally fine. I'm getting used to it. We're going to start by cutting a piece of this roll of chicken wire. I had this roll for years and years. Rosie making her appearance as usual. Now bend or twist the sharp edges. Make sure to flatten your wire before you get started with the arrangement. I'm going to start with the greenery, which is going to serve as the base. So you're going to insert the stem through a wire hole and lock the end of that same stem through another hole, if that makes any sense. I'm going to start designing the arrangement with natural pampas. I have them in 2 tones for dimension. Now I'm going to mirror everything I put on the arrangement. If I do it on one side, I'll do it on the other. And don't forget to lock the stems through the wire holes. Now I'm going to break it up with the lighter tone pampas, and you're going to mirror that as well. And then I'm going to go back to the darker tones. So pretty already. Now to the good part. I'm going to start with these 2 flowers from Walmart. The rest of the flowers are from Amazon. Mirror the flowers as well, and don't forget to lock them in the back. Now I'm filling in gaps with the darker tone. And I'm going to add a bit of this greenery filler to break up the flowers. I'm adding a bit more greenery because it just needs a little more balance. Adding terracotta faux pampas for more pop of fall colors. I'm going to make them shorter in the front and longer in the back. I'm adding wire to secure the second round of greenery. We don't want anything flopping around. Everything in the back should be as flat as possible. Oh my gosh, guys, I'm so happy how this arrangement turned out. It's so pretty. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really love making this type of arrangements with chicken wire because number 1, it only took me 30 minutes to make. Number 2, chicken wire is so easy to hang anywhere. All you need is a little bit of, fishing line or anything, or actually a hook, and you can just hang it on there. It's just very, very easy. Affordable also to make. It's really not that expensive because an arrangement like this can cost you over $200. So go ahead and make it yourself. And if you have any questions, just make sure to comment on below and let me know. All right, guys, make sure to like, subscribe, and share to anyone that needs to see this. Until next time, bye.